Jasmy coin is another symbolic that has been acquiring consideration in the realm of computerized monetary standards. It's the main Japanese blockchain project that furnishes the two companies and individuals with remarkable and creative information stockpiling prospects. How about we investigate it closer and make some Jasmy coin cost expectations for the next few long stretches of time. What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is a new blockchain project from Japan. It was sent off in October 2021 by the Advancement Group, Kunitake Ando, Agent Chief, Kazumasa Sato, President and Chief, Masanobu Yoshida, VP and CTO, and Hiroshi Harada, CFO. The blockchain innovation created by Jasmy means to re-establish and protect individual information control. It consolidates conventional Web of Things (IoT) with blockchain innovation, empowering clients to oversee their own information safely. Jasmy's decentralized blockchain is work to safeguard clients' information and give them complete command over how and when it is used. To do as such, the Jasmy network utilizes Interplanetary Record Framework, or IPFS, which joins Savvy Safeguard and Security Information Communicator (SKC). The venture likewise offers its clients of individual information storage, where they can securely keep their data. The objective is to lay out a setting where clients would genuinely control their information and choose how to utilize it. IoT gadgets will be a wellspring of new information that develops in the information storage. Jasmy is intended to be an installment cryptographic money. Organizations who need to gain admittance to client information can do as such by getting it and paying in Jasmy. This lifts the opportunities for information subordinate associations to gather information, which is normally challenging to stop by. It is guessed that the worth of the information will ascend as the market develops. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Jasmy coin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Jasmy coin will be $0.00899991. The most extreme level that the Jasmy cost can reach is $0.0109989. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.009999. Possible return for money invested 57.1% by Jasmy value conjecture for February 2023. In light of the value changes of Jasmy coin toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Jasmy pace of $0.00699993 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.00599994 and at $0.00699993 individually. Possible return for capital invested 0% by WAC 2023. Jasmy coin value gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Jasmy cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.00699993, while the greatest could reach $0.00799992 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Jasmy coin may be around $0.00699993. Likely return on initial capital investment 14.3% by Jasmy value conjecture for April 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of Jasmy coin in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Jasmy rate they foresee may be around $0.00699993 in April 2023. It can drop to $0.00699993 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.00799992. Likely return for capital invested 14.3% by May 2023. Jasmy coin value figure around mid-year 2023. The Jasmy cost will be exchanged at $0.00799992 overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Jasmy coin worth to $0.00799992. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.00699993 in May 2023. Expected return for money invested 14.3% by Jasmy value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Jasmy coin costs in 2023. So they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023 $0.00799992. The most minimal and top Jasmy rates may be $0.00799992 and $0.00799992. Possible return for capital invested 14.3% by July 2023. Jasmy coin value figure crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Jasmy cost will be around $0.0079992. In July 2023, the Jasmy coin cost might drop to at least $0.0079992. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.0089991 in July 2023. Possible return for capital invested, 28.6% by Jasmy value conjecture for August 2023. Having broke down Jasmy coin costs, digital money specialists expect that the Jasmy rate could arrive at a limit of $0.0089991 in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $0.0079992. For August 2023, the gauge normal of Jasmy coin is almost $0.0079992. Expected return for capital invested, 28.6% by September 2023. Jasmy coin value gauge around mid-2023. The Jasmy coin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.0089991. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the Jasmy cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.0079992 and $0.0099999. Possible return for money invested, 42.8% by Jasmy value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Jasmy coin worth won't dip under at least $0.0089991. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $0.0099999. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.0089991. Expected return for money invested, 42.8% by November 2023. Jasmy coin value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Jasmy costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Jasmy coin will be around $0.0099999 with a chance of dropping to at least $0.0089991. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0.0089991. Possible return for capital invested, 42.8% by Jasmy value estimate for December 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Jasmy coin. Toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Jasmy pace of $0.0099999 in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.0089991 and at $0.0109989 individually. Expected return for capital invested, 57.1% by Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. After the examination of the cost